We'll be learning about active voice versus passive voice, and we are from U Academy, and we'll begin with the active voice. So active voice is 능동태 in Korean, and it's when the subject of the sentence is doing the action. So the general structure will be subject plus verb plus object. This is 주어, 동사, 목적어, and an example sentence will be like, the teacher explains the lesson. Here, the subject will be the teacher, and explains will be the verb, and the lesson will be the objective. And now we'll be learning about passive voice, which is also 수동태, and it's when the subject of the sentence is receiving the action. The structure is a bit complicated than the previous one, active voice, but then I'll explain right now. So we begin with an object, and then we put the form of be and past participle and add the agent, which is also 주어. So in this case as well, the example sentence is, the lesson is explained by the teacher. The lesson here is the object, and explain is the passive verb, which changed from the original verb, which is explain, and we added the ed at the end, and by the teacher. The teacher will be the agent, which is also like the subject of the sentence, but it's just moved toward the end of the sentence. So active voice versus passive voice. We'll look at some of the examples. Here we have he makes coffee and Alex cleaned the room. First, for he makes coffee, we move the object coffee to the beginning of the sentence, and we make it as we makes the verb as the passive verb, which is made, and then we add the by, and we change he to him, and he here will be the 주어. The same was applied for the second sentence as well. It says Alex cleaned the room, which is 알렉스가 방을 청소하다, and then we move the object, which is the room, to the front, and then we said the room was cleaned by Alex. And now we'll be having more practices. So practice part 8 will be changing from active to passive. I'll be giving you time for I'll pause the video, and yeah, you guys can solve it. Now I hope you pause the video, and we'll resume with our lesson. So here we have the example, she reads a book. And if we change this active to passive, it's a book is read by her. And for the next two, here are the answers. They are building a new school. A new school is being built by them. And then we have the second sentence, they will announce the results. The results will be announced by them. So this is how we changed from active to passive. And this will be our final practice, which is the change from passive to active. Example will be the cake was eaten by Tom, and we change it to Tom ate the cake. So please pause the video right now, and we'll resume. So for the movie will be watched by us, it is we will watch the movie in an active voice sentence, and mistakes were made. We'll change it to someone made mistakes. So that was pretty much it for today's class. To sum up, we learned about the difference between the passive voice and the active voice, and thank you so much for watching our video.